Hello, this video explains the GLEN, which is a collaborative learning ecosystem created by the Grove Consultants International. Its purpose is to evolve the methods and practices of collaboration within and across organizations and cultures to better address the central challenges of our times. So the question was, how can you optimize the possibility of a network becoming a true learning community and functioning in an R&D kind of way? So the four elements that are going to do this initially is the intelligent network itself, which is a membership. It's a select membership of people who are interested in this purpose. The second element are exchanges, which are face-to-face and virtual programs. These are actual real-time events that are inquiries into various topics. Collaborations are action learning projects with teams of people who are working over time to accomplish certain results and produce things like books and other events and actions. And finally, learning pathways are self-directed online courses and cases that will be evolved by the network as they do exchanges and collaborations. So there's some synergy between these four that we think is going to allow this to become a very vital and exciting area to work with. One is the intelligent network itself will, through the profiles, be able to contact one another and have like-minded consultants all over the world who can help on change projects and such. The members themselves lead the exchanges, either an online Zoom kind of call or a face-to-face exchange, a gathering of some sort to inquire about topics that are of interest to the membership. Next, members themselves can join collaborations. These are teams of people who are aimed at producing a specific result of some sort. Now, the collaborations might hold exchanges to further their inquiry if they want to involve more people beyond the team itself. And exchanges might generate new collaborations. Finally, the collaborations themselves might produce learning pathways, which is if they document what they've been doing or what other members have been doing in a way that people can learn, other people can learn from those cases. They would be learning pathways. And the exchanges themselves will amplify and enrich these learning pathways by evolving them over time. The platform itself allows for commenting and reflection on all of these elements. So four supports will keep this ecosystem vital and working. At the center are meta learners. These are allies who are board of advisors and GLEN leaders of collaborations and exchanges. And their job is to steward the learning ecosystem. They will do this by having four different kinds of inquiry. One is asking, what are we learning as a network in regular reflective sessions? Secondly, asking what inquiries call for a full exchange. They'll probably be the group that decides on whether or not to hold an exchange. Then asking, what do practitioners need to learn as a way of guiding the development of learning pathways? And finally, determining what projects should we support and who will be leaders of which collaborations. Now, the governance rules, of course, for the meta learners will evolve as the network evolves. Now, this is all surrounded by a larger community whose adoption of new ideas and feedback about what is truly useful will actually be a vital part of this system working. And the Grove partners themselves, which is half a dozen or more consulting firms that are sharing this purpose of advancing change methodology, will bring global perspective to this whole venture. And finally, the Grove itself co-creates and manages the collaboration backbone. So this is the GLEN, a collaborative learning ecosystem, a learning network that will enhance the work that we've been doing so effectively over all these years.